This tutorial demonstrates how to generate video scripts using TeachSmart AI. You will learn to select templates, configure script settings, and customize your content to create effective video scripts tailored to your audience. Access the video scripts section to begin creating your video content scripts within TeachSmart AI. Initiate a new script creation by selecting the Generate New Script option to start fresh. Choose the course titled Comprehensive Guide to Setting Up a Successful YouTube Channel to base your script on. Select the promotional video type to focus your script on marketing and attracting viewers. Set the language preference to English, United States, to tailor the script for an English-speaking audience. Specify the target duration to control the length of your generated video script for optimal engagement. Engage the AI Assistant feature to leverage artificial intelligence in crafting your script efficiently. Review the script generation tips, which include overview for introductions, detailed for full lessons, and promotional for marketing-focused scripts, to select the best approach for your content. Click Generate Script to have TeachSmart AI create a tailored video script based on your selected options and inputs. Exit the script generation interface and proceed to view scripts to manage and review your created scripts. Open the desired script by clicking View to examine the generated content in detail. After reviewing the generated script's video, click the Close button to exit the modal displaying the script details content. Select Edit to modify the script content, allowing customization to better fit your specific needs. Click the title field to update or refine the script's heading for clarity and impact. Click here to access further editing tools or script sections to enhance your content comprehensively. Navigate to the Sections tab to organize and structure your script into manageable parts for better flow. Review and edit the section contents for the video scripts. After finalizing your edits, click the Close button to exit and proceed with additional script management tasks within TeachSmart AI. You have successfully generated and customized a video script using TeachSmart AI's tools. To confirm completion, review your script for accuracy and completeness. Next, consider exploring advanced editing features or generating scripts for other video types to expand your content creation capabilities.